Okay, so very quickly going to show you guys how to select a letter, cut it out, paste it onto a new layer that is named for that letter. So here we go. For speed, I'm going to choose the magic wand tool, and I'm just going to select, make sure I'm on the correct layer. I'm going to click this S. It's going to select it, and I'm just going to use Command X to cut, and it cuts it out. So I'm going to use I'm going to use Shift Command N to, that was interesting. Got to get back on the right program. Here we go. Shift Command N for new layer. It pops up on my other screen. I'm going to slide it over so you can see that. And now, because it's highlighted right away, the layer I want is S. I'm going to tap S. That layer is going to be named S. There it is. Because I cut this out, I can immediately just use paste, which you can go up to edit, or I can hit Command V, and it will paste that letter right there. And the work habit I've told you to try to use is put it where it was, okay? Which I guess I got to talk and didn't do earlier. So I'll do this with S. So that is how you create a new layer.